Why you rain?
Wait. You see this video is a very Huat
Yeah.
This is not Huat
Get sky dining experience every day to your convenience right at home. 2 stations you can reach Dhoby Ghaut, which is Orchard Road. You can head to Orchard Road and you don't have to buy a car. Car savings for you.
你啊，我跟你打，这个厝袂歹，我暑假我找厝找啊无暝无日咧，我就是找一个有法气的厝咧。好。
Alright, sweet audience, today you are in luck. Before this uncle sell his house to move into this development, 跨季改 block, 88化气 feel the Viking. And also, right behind of me, this condo come with aircon reception lobby. But first, let's see this freehold condo specs. Total of 106 units with 1-to-1 parking space, completed at the year 2016, and is also a freehold property. And now, we'll bring you up to the house to see the unparalleled, unblocked, windy view, the rear Jia Hong Chu. How high will we go? Which level is the house? Stay tuned to find out. Okay, serious time. Today, we are in Luckiest Finale. We are special invite a Hong Kong mega guest star, 香港多次金马影帝张家辉的邻居、的朋友、的亲戚、的那条狗都不认识的人，来有请。
水个靠背，无代无志行都本会打着头。
So please help to support us in order for us to hire more mega superstar for your entertainment. And for now, we're up to the 5th level pool facility deck. Over here to my left, generous size 37-meter LED pool. And follow me, a well spaced, good size family barbecue area. And towards the end, the edge of the condo, if you can just look right down, we have a mini supermarket mart for your daily convenience. And for now, let's go even higher. And we are already arrived to the 14th level facility deck. Take a look, we have the gym, well fully equipped gym. Everything from cardio machines to heavy weightlifting. All machines cater to your exercise need. And while you're exercising, you can overlook into the precious nice city view. Alright, we will have a quick walk around for you to be immersed in this gym area. This kind of interesting story. I have a customer that definitely have to buy a house big enough to fit a ping pong table, be it like a roof terrace or even a generous size long frontage living room. If the house can fit a ping pong table, he will buy one of it. If can fit 2 ping pong tables, he will get 2 or 3 houses just to play table tennis. Then here's the pool. We have a pool over here. Entertainment corner, that's the gym. Here's our entertainment deck. And over here we have our sky viewing terrace, overlooking 360 degrees of Singapore pure unblocked view. And do you think that's it for the facility decks? There's more. Let's go even higher. And here we are at the 20th floor of the facility deck. Over here, we have spa, jacuzzi corner. Multiple spa and jacuzzi spread out throughout this level. Comfortable sitting area, wind is very strong. So look over here, what do we have? Here is towards the south facing. That building over there, the rectangular white plated building is Farrer Park Hospital. Right beside Farrer Park Hospital, the small little orange roof in front of the small orange roof, that is Farrer Park MRT. From here, I personally experience it for you. You take about 10 minutes walk. From downstairs, side gate, 10 minutes walk all the way, straight road. No need to cross the road, straight route all the way to Farrer Park MRT. And while walking to Farrer Park MRT, you'll be blasted with local delicacy. We have bak kut teh, trendy cafe, and much more for you to explore. 好，来 Eunice 这里 more viewing deck， 你要说他把 viewing deck 放这边吗？因为这个 super view、super daytime view， 可以讲你的话。
哇，这么美的 view！
啊，你看这么美的 view。But you know what's even better? The night view. Owner definitely enjoy the night view throughout the stays of 5 years in Forte Suites. So. 准备好了 ？OK， 那你准备好了吗 ？You ready？ OK， 好，你看这边，不要动啊。好，哈哈哈哈哈！好玩的时光，欢乐时光，就是过得这么快，不知不觉已经来到晚上了。Guys, now the time is 8 p.m. at night. Heng heng, we are here for the past 8 hours. We do it for you.
What?
And we didn't catch a cold. And Eunice, turn over and look at the view.
哇，这么美的 view， 在哇！
Location: minute walk to Farrer Park MRT, which you have City Square Mega Mall with a cinema. And for primary school, within 1 kilometer, we have Hongwen and St. Joseph Institution Junior, ranked at top 20 and 50. Let's proceed up even higher so I can escape this windy gust of wind. And finally, we are here at the unit. We're at the top of the condo development. Owner bought this unit as a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom penthouse unit, and now it is fully maximized to a 3-bedroom layout with 3 bathrooms. Let me show it to you. Follow me. Entering the unit, we are walking through this open passageway, open kitchen concept, yet right at the end, fully enclosable for your heavy cooking. And also, to mention again, we are at the top floor penthouse, come with strong wind ventilations. Even for heavy air cooking, everything will be fully ventilated, well ventilated out of the house. And over here, take a look at the top-down cabinet, all fully built-in carpentry storage, fits for a family of 4. Take a look, down cabinet. Of course, our inbuilt fridge. 等一下。哦，是哪里？这走出来一句，哦，是哪里？这个可以放里面。And once again, of course, our nicely done ID flush-in fridge for you. Looking good. Looking good with just nice laminated finishing for you. Alright guys, come and see the view again. Take a peek to experience Singapore master plan transformation for you. This is Lovina Health City. And what is it about? Look over here, Tan Tock Seng Hospital. The full scale is 3 times. Tan Tock Seng Hospital expand into 3 times with medical school, health science school, community hubs, and much more at the year 2030, which you can witness the full transformation of the master plan right at your balcony over here, which is mean more tenant pool, more buyer, future capital gains for you again. And to the left over here, notice over there, South Beach Residence, Marina Bay Sands, which you can see yearly fireworks right at your balcony over here while you're enjoying your daily alfresco meal at this huge frontage balcony with decking all decked up for you. Okay, moving on and follow me over here. We are entering the living area. Behind of the living area, here's the toilet. But you know what's special? For this living area, it used to be our master bedroom. Our master bedroom is over here. But why? Due to owner ingenuity, they actually transformed the master bed into the bigger living space, which our original living room is actually right behind of this wall. They do this to make access for stairs to the 2nd story. Yes, you observant viewers, this is the stairs to the 2nd floor, which our ceiling height is 6.7 meter high. Watch till the end for us to showcase to you the 2nd floor. But first, let's see this common room. Right over here, beside the kitchen. Common room right ahead. For now, it's their son's room, but no problem, you can fully fit a queen size bed. Plus, it's a dual entrance toilet. The one of the toilet is right beside the kitchen, another one is actually ensuite. Partial ensuite from this common toilet, which this common toilet got access to the ensuite bathroom. And over here, what we have here, the son, you can do into like a portable storage, or for ladies, walk-in wardrobe concept for you. Okay, here's the 2nd floor. Over here, a mini family hall, well equipped like a family office space. So comfortable and also free from noise distraction, which for your work from home purposes. Increase your productivity right here. And for now, let's pan out to Eunice.
Let's continue the home tour on this 2nd level, which comprises of the master bedroom and the common bedroom. So the good thing is, the owner cleverly integrated spaces with a touch of luxury. The great thing for the common bedroom, you can fit a single bed, a double bed, study area, very versatile for you and any of your family members. You can reconvert it into a guest room, or you can just fill it up to give your kids or anybody for a room at home. Okay, come on in, I want to show you guys something. So the owner actually created a nice window over here, which gives good ventilation for the common bedroom, because usually common bedroom is very compressed, but with this window you can open up, increases the light and ventilation in the home and in the room. Alright, let's continue to explore the 2nd level of this private loft apartment. Over here there's a little walkway which is at a good space. study corner, you can put your stationeries and any of your things that you want to put on the table. As you enter to the end, you can put drawers over here which give you good compartment space, very space efficient. Alright, the best part of the house, the master bedroom. Let's head in. Entering the master bedroom, you can see it's a very spacious room. You can fit a queen size bed. You want to change it to a king size, also possible. You can fit a study desk at the corner and ample space in near the wardrobe area. So the wardrobe is a very large full height wardrobe, fixed and still modern design, which is the depth of a full arm's length. So you can imagine the whole depth all the way from my hand fingertips to the arm. This is the full depth. And another highlight of the house, you get the window over here. This window is almost 3/4 height, very clear glass, and it gives you natural ventilation into the master bedroom. At a full height of 6.71 meters, you can see the natural ventilation, brightness all the way into the master bedroom, which is important. Okay, you may be wondering, master bedroom, you cannot leave out a bathroom. So you get a bathroom on the second level. This bathroom is still in very good condition. Marble-like tiles and anti-slip flooring, good as new. No renovation needed to be done in this bathroom because the owners kept it very well. You have a proper, fully fitted bathroom all the way in the second level, and that consists of your master bedroom.
So 5 out of 10 buyers will always ask, what does the unit number add up? So this, plus this, and this. So you know what's the number it adds up to? Huat. Alright, 真舍不得呢, we have come to the end of our lucky house tour today, Eunice.
Today, like, see a lot of Huat.
Yes, based on my calculation, today we have said Huat about 大马Huat啊！Huat！快点卖啊！8个小时内卖这个房子啊！Huat啊！ And further on, what is our approach at the end of the video again? Let's show our commitment to our beloved seller right now. Let's do our thing.
Positions.
We
at Property 65, we uplift your home value, we sell higher.
Contact
Explore with us
your
your
choices
home choices today.
That's right, guys. Remember to contact us to view this property. Link in the description box.
See you guys next week.
65吗？